This short video will show you how to manage your posting periods within Business Central. Standard procedure within finance teams is generally once a month is closed off that it gets locked down for certain users, and it might be that you want to close accounts receivable before accounts payable, or that the majority of users are in a new month but some users are still allowed to post into the old month. Business Central, it's managed a little bit differently to potentially other systems you've seen before. So let's go and take a look. There's two main areas that we're going to have a look at. So if we first go to the General Ledger Setup, in this area you've got your allow posting from and allow posting to dates. This is a global setting. So if I put my current periods in here, so allow posting from the 1st of March, most businesses will just set a posting from date and allow future posting. If you want to restrict future posting as well, then you can put an end date. There is a setting too to allow deferral posting ranges to be different from what the standard posting ranges are. If you're using deferrals, that might mean you want to be able to post an invoice and have it automatically post the journals into the next 12 months after the invoice date. In order to do that, you can still have the restriction on what you're allowing to post on a day-to-day basis, and then you can set a different date range in your deferrals. So that global setting will apply for everyone in the system unless you have defined it at the individual user setup. So there's another area that we can look at, and we can look at the user setup. And within the user setup, you may not have anyone specifically selected in here, because unless you're using some of the workflows or wanting to change these posting dates, it's not a screen you have to set up. But what you want to do within here is I might want to allow me to post from the 1st of February because I am still working in the February month. And maybe actually I'm allowed to post into future periods, but no one else is. So maybe I'm putting that to the end of my year. So those are the two main settings for managing financial periods. What you need to decide is how best to use them for your business. Some organizations will have a very tight close off time frame, and actually most users are locked out after day 1 or day 2, and it's only the financial accountants that are still doing things. In that case, the global setup would be the best option, with allowing your finance users the extended dates through user setup. If you have quite a staggered close off, so you might close off sales first and then you might close off accounts payable later, then you may find leaving the global setting to be the month you're finalizing and having individual users locked out of that period is a better way to go. Thanks for watching. If what you see is relevant to you, please hit the like and subscribe and check back for future videos.